Hi everybody, and today I'm gonna install the Devstack on OpenSuse Tumbleweed with the latest kernel 4.11 on a virtual machine. So my host system is also OpenSuse Tumbleweed, and well, actually OpenStack and even Devstack requires a powerful machine. Mine is Ryzen 7 1700, 16 threads with 32 gigs of RAM. So now let's check VMware settings. So the memory of 16 GB of RAM, 16 processors, and hard disk of 90 GB. So my network adapter is set to bridge mode. So I have a fresh install of OpenSuse Tumbleweed, and maybe the first thing that I should do is to update the system actually. So let's do it. Okay, my system is already updated, and so nothing to do. And now I need to install some tools and mandatory packages. So I'm going to install nettools deprecated package for ifconfig command. Yep. So I'm going to install nano editor. And I'm going to install a sudo. It requires for Devstack. And also I should install the MySQL. Install will be MariaDB package. MariaDB and MariaDB tools. Yeah, like that. Okay, so now I'm going to start my SQL service. System control. MySQL. I should enable MySQL. It starts MySQL on boot actually. Okay, let's check the status of MySQL. Okay, it's active and running. So I'm gonna connect to this machine via SSH from my host system. So now I need to know my IP address here. It's great. One seven actually. Okay. So now I should edit my network settings. It will be an etc sysconfig and network directory. So my interface is here, so I'm gonna edit it. I'll set it to static. It'll be static. It'll be 200 net mask 24-bit network. Okay, so here we go. Let's save it. And now I need to configure my default gateway, so that I should create file called routes. And indicate my default gateway here. And also we need to check our DNS settings. Name server. Let's add additional DNS server. Save it. And now I'm gonna restart my network settings. So the service network restart. I'm closing this window because I lost the connection because I changed my IP address here. Okay. So the next thing is to install Git Core and Devstack package from the Git. Zipper install Git Core. Okay. Now we're gonna clone the Devstack. Git clone HTTPS. Now create the stack user. Oops. Tools, create stack user sh script. Now we're gonna move the Devstack files at home directory of the new user and change their permissions. Okay, move Devstack to LPT stack directory. Okay, and let's change the permissions. Permissions for Devstack user. Stack user, stack group, and recursorily stack Devstack. All right. So at this point you can create a minimal configuration file that describes the Devstack guide actually, but if you don't create it, so the script will ask you for the services passwords actually. Okay. And now we're gonna run the script to install the Devstack. Okay, here we go actually. Okay, it will take some time, so we should wait for 7 minutes. Well, actually, it requires a password to use for the database. Okay, we'll leave this blank. Okay. Well, during the installation, I had an error like this, so the pip command not found. So the pip command is a tool for installing and managing Python packages. So we need to install this package as well. So to install it, we need to add the repo, this repo. Then we do zipper refresh and zipper install python pip. You can find these packages on software.opensuse.org website. Installation took a long time, about 40 or 50 minutes, and if you some errors regarding OpenStack services like Keystone, RabbitMQ, Nova, Compute, and so on, then you should restart your OpenStack installation with a command. Again, with this command. And you see a lot of information we have here. So let's test our Keystone service and the dashboard service. This is on link. Okay, here we go. So user is admin and the password is this long password. I copy it. Okay, it will be admin and paste the password. Try to connect. Oops. Wow. Login as different user. Wow. Admin. Okay. The system information here. See all services up and running. So we have our instances here. There's no instances, images. Just one test image. It's volumes here, and so on. Actually, I've tried to install the Devstack on Ubuntu 16.04, and you know that Ubuntu requires more memory, more RAM memory. That's why maybe it's more preferable to install Devstack on OpenSuse actually. So in next session we'll consider the command line. We're gonna create some projects, users, networks, and so on. So I'll see you in the next session. Bye bye.